Hello, my name is Duncan McIntyre, and I'm the CEO of AdventureBox Technology. AdventureBox is repositioning itself as a publicly traded gaming venture fund. Our strategy focuses on acquiring high growth potential assets that we believe will be complementary to our existing portfolio. I've personally been in the gambling industry since 2008. I've built publicly traded gaming software companies, risk management teams, casino studios, sportsbooks, and marketing and affiliate teams. I'm also a lawyer licensed in a few provinces in Canada, and while I don't practice too much anymore, I believe my legal background lends credibility to this highly regulated industry we operate in. At AdventureBox, we focus on acquiring cash flow positive assets with unique IP operating in jurisdictions with high growth potential. We're trying to build portfolio assets that are complementary to each other while producing significant cost savings within the portfolio. As such, we believe that our different assets can be complementary to each other. By acquiring casino content, for example, we can provide content to other portfolio companies at reduced prices, offering increased revenue streams for each asset. Now let me describe some of the pending assets that we're looking to incorporate in the AdventureBox portfolio. First, let me introduce RWB Smart Solutions, Inc. RWB generates approximately $20 million revenue in 2024 auditable financial figures, as well as $10 million EBITDA. In addition to having unique intellectual property focused on the Asian Pacific market, RWB is well positioned for future growth, while also being complementary by providing a games aggregator solution for our existing portfolio. The total purchase price for RWB is $18 million in cash, which is less than 1x revenue and less than 2x EBITDA. Next, let me introduce you to Project Quantum. Project Quantum is a marketing and affiliate company that produced 12.5 million euros in revenue, as well as 5 million EBITDA in their 2024 figures. The total purchase price for Project Quantum is 15 million, of which only 7 million is cash upon closing. Project Quantum brings with it unique intellectual property focused on the Eastern European market and 3 casino brands. Importantly, there's also a marketing and affiliate company as part of the acquisition that will help drive traffic to all of our portfolio assets. Lion Gaming Group was the first purchase by AdventureBox. You may know that I was the former CEO of Lion Gaming Group and then joined on as CEO of AdventureBox. This transaction closed on January 31st, 2025. Lion Gaming has built its own proprietary software, including a sportsbook, CRM, CMS, casino studio, back office, and everything you would need to launch a new online casino. While we only commercialized our offering in September 2021, we quickly scaled thereafter. In 2022, we had 5 customers, and by the end of 2023, we already had 60 brands using our software. In mid-2024, we paused taking on any new clients with a high of 80 brands using our software. While B2B operations are at the core of Lion Gaming's operations, we believe we have the management team and expertise to expand into the B2C market. So stay tuned for some new launches of ours in 2025. Blok Sports is an exciting entity that we've entered into a letter of intent with, and we look to close by the end of Q1 2025. Blok Sports is a decentralized peer-to-peer betting exchange. All transactions can occur fully on-chain, while also having the ability to operate fully off-chain. With the exciting growth that these peer-to-peer betting systems have shown in late 2024 during the US presidential elections, we feel that Blok Sports is primed for extreme growth. Not only does our portfolio currently lack a betting exchange offering, which we can now provide to all of our customers, but the fact that Blok Sports has built this, tried and tested, and fully on-chain is a complement to their technological prowess. Sparx Technology is a media asset that we are acquiring 51% of. This business is previously wholly owned by Blok Sports, so the other 49% will be in familiar and friendly hands. Sparx Technology has had multiple Tier 1 clients, including Disney, Turner Sports, and ESPN. This is a player engagement tool that we believe we can reposition to drive player growth on all of our B2C assets. Sparx has a major North American presence, but we believe has global appeal, and we will look to complement Sparx's existing assets with other media entities in the near future. Zefr Media is a proven sportsbook operator that has had over $1 billion in turnover. The management team at Zefr is second to none and will be complementary to the existing AdventureBox management team once this deal closes. We also look to complete this transaction at the end of Q1 of 2025. Zefr's management team have raised over $1 billion in different financings, have had multiple IPOs, and have experience in the gaming industry second to none. Collectively, these acquisitions that we've just described will bring $40 million in 2024 revenue and more than $15 million in EBITDA. That being said, we've not yet tapped into the synergies that these assets will bring to the portfolio. Our strategy at AdventureBox is to grow and scale each of these assets individually. While there is more to come in our pipeline, we believe that each of these assets offer high growth potential and will leave a lasting impact in the gaming industry. When we're done growing and scaling these assets to a point that we feel comfortable with, we will look to either divest from these assets or, excitingly, to potentially spin these out as standalone public companies. As a result, AdventureBox shareholders will become majority shareholders if any of these assets become public companies in their own right. Thank you very much for your time, and please feel free to contact me at Duncan@adventurebox.com. Thank you.